1824. We're at the portals here of Park Avenue, 97th Street. As we see an M7A going by. We're overlooking an M3A coming from Crestwood. It's train 332. As this one has ENI 17 leading 8 cars. We have 202, 6105, and 7 just going by on track 3. This looks like a yard move. It's P32AC DM. We're still in electric mode. All right, we have a couple of MUs coming this way. Train going by was train 2009, and we have a southbound M7 consist. And we have a second southbound M7A consist. This one's coming south on 1. Coming down 942, we're going to see train 1841 coming. This one's got the New York Central Heritage. Leading this one is 6221 Shoreline, a 4-cab car, which was acquired by Metro North in 2000, one of the last Shoreliner orders, which was part of a 10-car acquisition from Bombardier. And we have a move going to Highbridge. Here's a M8 fleet. It's just going by here on 4. And on number 3, we got a set going to New Haven. All right, time now 9:44. It's train 1841 from Danbury has left 125th. And P32AC D11s, 211s on the rear of this consist. Central on the rear of train 1841.